Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. When I recently moved into my home, I quickly realized that I needed to find furniture pieces to warm up my space. The TaoHFE console table has really fit the bill in helping me to achieve that goal. The two-tier design is ideal because it allows me to display some of my favorite decor pieces on the top while still giving me a whole nother level of space to store and organize other necessary items. The sleek pull-out drawer is also awesome because it allows me to keep on hand items that are necessary but that I don't want to display. So I'm quickly realizing that in my home, I don't necessarily know where I want furniture pieces to stay. So the fact that this console table is so versatile is great. I can tell that I would equally love it set up in my front entryway or behind my sofa or even in one of my bedrooms. Oh, and for those who are not so handy with assembly, I have good news for you. This table came with awesome written and video instructions, and my husband only needed one tool to put it together. Once he was finished and I took a look at this piece, it is so sturdy and high-end looking. Not anything like cheap boxed furniture. I am so happy to have found a piece of furniture that so quickly helped me to warm up my hallway space. The TaoHFE console table is beautiful, it's versatile, and it is built to last. And that is my point of view.